What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It has been a solid minute since I've uploaded, and I don't really have any good excuse for that. I just haven't really gotten around to buying any new parts or going to any cool events for the Z, but hopefully that's about to change because we just got a new toy, and hopefully we're going to be making a lot of content on this, and that is this bad boy right here. So this right here is a 2001 Honda CBR 600 F4i. Now, you're probably wondering how I got this in my driveway, and I actually did not buy it. So, my brother actually owns a junk removal business. That's his truck right there. I'll actually link his channel down below because he actually makes a lot of content on how to start your junk removal business. So if you want to check that out, I'll link it down below. But yeah, basically he got this from a job. They basically paid him to haul it away because it's a lot of work. It's not functioning right now. We're hopefully going to be rebuilding it and getting it to working condition. But yeah, they hauled it away because it's missing a lot of things. See right here, it has no mirrors, clutch lever broke off, everything's like super dirty and grimy. Apparently hasn't been registered or started in like over 5 years. So that's going to be a problem. Tires are completely gone. Sides are pretty scratched. Tires are literally all flat and deflated. So we're gonna have to change those too. What else is wrong with it? See, it's pretty ugly. Battery is dead. Gas needs to be drained because the gas has been sitting in there for a long time. And obviously need an oil change as well. So yeah, these are just things to fix. Just hopefully see if it even starts. Hopefully the motor is in working condition. If not, it's all gonna be a waste of time, but we have to find out. But yeah, I thought this bike would be a good opportunity for us to start a new little project on the channel. I think it'd be a fun process of just rebuilding it, getting it to working condition, and learning how to ride a bike as well, because I rode a bike a few times here and there, like in the parking lot, but I've never really taken it on the streets or anything like that. So yeah, if we get this working, I can start learning how to ride and yeah, take you guys along with the process. But yeah, don't worry about the Z. The Z is not going anywhere. We're still going to be making content on the Z as well once I get around to buying new parts and going to cool events like that. So for this first episode, or whatever you want to call it, of our rebuild on the Honda CBR is going to be, we're going to be washing it because it is really dirty and it's been like sitting for 5 years. So of course it's going to be dirty everywhere. We're going to be trying to clean it completely as well as taking out the gas. So I went ahead and bought this little pump thing, and I have a gas canister right there. So we're going to be transferring the old gas that is inside right now and just taking it out because we don't want to be using that gas. I should mention now that I've never actually worked on any bike whatsoever, so this is going to be a completely new learning process for me. But if some of you guys are experienced with bikes and have some tips, please leave them down below in the comment section and I'll be sure to read them. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to washing the bike. All right, so we just got done washing the bike. This is how it turned out. Definitely looks a lot shinier and better, not as gross looking. So next we're gonna be doing now is taking out the old gas from the bike, because like I said, it's been there for a long time, so it's gonna be bad. We don't want to be using that. So we're gonna be using this pump and this gas tank right here and just transferring the old gas into the gas tank. Should be pretty easy with this pump. Okay, so I feel like I did a pretty bad job of filming that, but we did manage to get some of the gas out. As you can see right here, there is some gas in there, probably about like a quarter gallon at most. It didn't have a lot of gas in there. There probably is still a little bit in there, but I don't think it'll be too big of a deal. We'll just fill it up with mostly brand new gas and it should be fine. Well guys, there you have it. That is the beginning of hopefully a very exciting and not too stressful rebuild of the Honda CBR 600. I think this is gonna be a fun project on the channel, so be on the lookout for more videos coming very soon. In the next video, we're gonna be changing out the battery and doing an oil change, and hopefully after those two things we can get our first start, if all goes smoothly. If there's no motor issues, it should start after all that. Maybe spark plugs, I don't know when those have been changed, but yeah. Nonetheless, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe down below if you haven't so already, and comment if you're excited about this new build. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.